Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you the easiest way to create curved text. We need two elements, the text and a curve. Let us create the text first. You can press T, use the type tool. I size it up holding Shift and Control. And now we want to create a curve. One way to do it is to use the Bezier tool, left click and drag. And let me left click and drag again. Now select both elements and go to text and put on path. You can remove it from the path in this menu as well. If you want to adjust it, make sure that you've selected the path, otherwise nothing works. So deselect everything, then click on the path, use the nodes tool, and now you've got this hand icon if you hover over your path. And then you can just left click and drag. You can also readjust the nodes or double click on your path to create a new node and then adjust that. You can also see these handles. So if you drag them, you can adjust the curvature. So we still have the line. How can we get rid of it? If you just select it and delete it, your text is turned again into this regular shape. So first select it and go to path, object to path, and now you can select your line and just delete it, and the text will stay in place. And that's the easiest way to create this curved text effect in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.